The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement. Drink daily before 10 a.m. This ancient Japanese tonic melts 54 pounds of fat. It helps men and women burn fat fast using a simple 20-second Japanese tonic. This weird Japanese breakfast drink transformed people's health. Discover the ancient Japanese tonic to melt 3 pounds every 3.5 days. It's a powerful Japanese herb mix that's been unknown to the Western public. It targets the single root cause of belly fat. There's a new powerful fat loss solution that's helping men and women effortlessly drop 1 pound of belly fat every 24 hours. This might sound crazy, but they all reported being able to see and feel their fat melt off their belly within the first 24 hours. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a science-based leap forward as far as being a solid weight reduction and processing supplement that utilizes an intense portion of plant-based homegrown concentrates, probiotics, polyphenols, nutrients, and minerals to target paunch fat. The real Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder says its normal fixings contain 3 billion CFU and is planned to advance solid weight the executives and processing while at the same time boosting energy and essentialness. The maker of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, Mike Banner, was enlivened by the Japanese island of Okinawa. He purportedly visited Okinawa and had a supplement thick, amazing fat annihilating beverage that prompted improved medical services for him back to front. Now, with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, he needs to impart that recipe to the world. Thanks for watching. Product in the description. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Money Online Box.